The history of welding dates back to the Bronze Age of around 3000 BC, when humans first began working with bronze. But in 1877, an American engineer called Lou Thomason invented the process of resistance welding by chance. This was the time when he was preparing a lecture at Franklin Institute in Philadelphia. But however, after 8 years, history tells us that he later created the first electric welding. But still, during Iron Age, an Egyptian first learned how to weld a piece of an iron together. This is archaeological evidence in the early 3000 BC, that is before Christ. And then in 1881, the Russian inventor called Nikolai, when the word is long, introduced carbon arc welding. And it is a band restaurant. Therefore, welding briefly is just a process that joins materials together using heat, pressure, or bolts to create a permanent bond. Therefore, welding is a fabrication process. Out of the major types of welding, we have boot joint, T-joint, corner joint, lap joint, and edge joint, which you will observe in this video and learn. However, you also notice that we are either using also mark that when a welder has not used TIG, he will use TIG. If it's not TIG, it will be a weld. However, before welding, the selection of the right materials in the right proportions is a key. However, it also depends on the purpose of the end project. Because if you are going to lift a heavy beam and then you select white end, that means you expect a negative repercussion. But the right proportion, right measurement should be considered and taken in for achieving efficiency. It is also important to note that using the right personnel to do the work is a key, because remember that for example here, as we were digging our foundation, we discovered that sometimes underground we have electric fibers for transmission of information, water pipes. So you need to be